Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel JK Exam Trip, your go-to destination for all things related to competitive exams in Jammu and Kashmir. My dear friends, today we have some important news to share with all the aspiring candidates out there. My dear friends, JKSSB has issued an advance notice regarding the conduct of type test for the post of junior assistant advertised under various notification. And the type test is scheduled to be conducted from the first week of April 2024. But wait, there's more. Exact dates for the test along with the schedule for downloading admit cards will be notified separately. So, if you are one of the applicants eagerly awaiting these details, make sure to stay tuned for further updates and remember preparation is key. Use this time wisely to brush up on your skills and be ready to ace that type test. That's all for now, folks. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for success. This is JK Exam Trip signing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable exam related content. Until next time, happy studying.